today's first look, we have a very iconic car, a 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing Coupe. This is lot number 1406. In 1956, the Mercedes-Benz factory in Stuttgart produced 311 hand-built 300SL Gullwings. This 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing is a European market car originally. It was delivered through the Mercedes-Benz distributor in Rome, Italy. Based on the initial 300SL race cars that utterly dominated races in Europe with competition wins including first and second at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, plus another first and second victory at Mexico's deadly Carrera Panamericana. The road-going 300SL Gullwing was built from 1954 to 1957. Today, the unforgettable 300SL ranks among the most collectible and valuable of all the post-war cars, featuring the ultra-lightweight space-age chassis. The 300SL's highlights seem modern even today, including direct fuel injection, a 3-liter single overhead cam, inline 6 power plant that uses dry sump engine lubrication. They did that because the engine lies sideways, so they had to put the sump on the side. That goes back to its racing pedigree. It also has independent rear suspension and, of course, the Gullwing doors. This Gullwing, order number 823298, left the factory on October 30th, 1956. It features a Becker Mexico radio. On the outside, it has the outside mirror on it. Over the past 3 years, Coachworks completely disassembled and stripped down the body, chassis, engine, and all mechanical components to perform a nut and bolt frame-off concours quality restoration. Final assembly was completed in September of 2023. Every mechanical component has been restored or replaced. This Gullwing is in better than new condition, and there is an extensive file documenting the entire restoration. In January of 2024, the Mercedes-Benz Classic Center in Long Beach, California, has verified this 300SL maintains its matching numbers: body, engine, transmission, transaxle, and the steering box. It is presented here in the correct DB180 silver metallic and trimmed with the natural leather interior. It also has 2 sets of seats, one in the green cloth inserts and one in the full leather. It rides on the Rudge wheels. It comes with the fitted luggage. It is documented by thousands of photos and all the invoices. This Gullwing participated in the 2023 Colorado Grand 1000, which it was put on as part of the process to ensure the quality and the performance dialing this car in. Let's take a look under the hood. Just look at the quality of the restoration in those 1,000 photos, the undercarriage. I just opened this up. Now, we've sold a lot of Gullwings, but the attention to detail, there on the block, the original engine number, the tag showing the motor number, the trim options showing that it came originally with the silver paint on it, but just the attention to detail. Every single inspection mark, all the finishes on everything, the exact right sheen on the black between the body, the chassis. It is absolutely a spectacular restoration. On the interior, the way that the interior was done, very, very correct, plus the workmanship on the luggage. Just when you look at all the leather work, the dash, it is absolutely better than new. The restoration, the documentation, inside, outside, everywhere. This spectacular Gullwing is selling at no reserve at our 2024 Scottsdale auction, January 20th through the 28th. Still time to register to bid. You can bid online, bid on the phone, or the best part, be there on the auction block. We'll see you in Scottsdale. It pulls very nice. Brakes, clutch, all the pedals feel very good. you.